Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a picture on your profile on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. First click here. Now click here on your username and click set up profile, and here click upload. There you can take a photo or choose from your gallery, and that's how to update your picture. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.